How to make money on YouTube, step-by-step guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of YouTube and how you can make money from it. Building a successful YouTube channel takes dedication, hard work, and a whole lot of hustle. So, are you ready to become the next YouTube millionaire? Let's do this. Finding your niche. What gets you hyped? First things first, you gotta figure out what your channel is all about. What are you passionate about? What do you know a ton about? Maybe you're a whiz at video games, a makeup guru, or you can't stop talking about the latest tech gadgets. Whatever it is, that's your niche. Having a niche helps you target the right audience, people who actually care about what you're putting out there. Plus, it makes coming up with video ideas a whole lot easier. Think about it. Would you rather watch a channel with a clear focus, like crazy science experiments you can do at home, or one that's all over the place with random videos about cats, cooking, and car repairs? Yeah, I thought so. So take some time to brainstorm. You never know what might spark a viral sensation. Level up your content. Make them stop scrolling. All right, you got your niche. Now it's time to create content that's so good, people can't help but hit that subscribe button. Start with what you've got. A decent camera phone, some good lighting, and a whole lot of enthusiasm can go a long way. Most importantly, be consistent. Upload regularly so your audience knows what to expect. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a week, stick to a schedule and deliver that high-quality content like a boss. Chapter 3. Build your squad. It's all about the community. Listen up because this is huge. YouTube is all about community. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, answer questions, and even give shoutouts to your most loyal fans. Social media is your best friend. Promote your videos on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, whatever platforms your target audience hangs out on. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche, do cross-promotions, and tap into each other's audiences. It's like a snowball effect. The bigger your community, the faster it grows. Chapter 4. Turn your passion into profit. Let's make some money. Okay, now for the part you've all been waiting for, making bank on YouTube. Once you've built a decent following, it's time to monetize that hard work. The most common way is through ads. Join the YouTube Partner Program, meet their requirements, and start earning a share of the ad revenue. Explore other revenue streams like sponsorships. Team up with brands that align with your niche and get paid to promote their products or services. Platforms like Patreon allow your most dedicated fans to support your channel directly through monthly subscriptions. Chapter 5. Learn from the masters. Study the greats. Don't reinvent the wheel. Some of the best advice you can get is from those who've already walked the path to YouTube stardom. Study successful YouTubers like MrBeast, PewDiePie, and Jenna Marbles. Pay attention to their editing style, their content strategy, and how they interact with their audience. To truly stand out, you need to develop your own unique voice and perspective. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to adapt and thrive. Outro, you got this. Now go crush it. And there you have it. Follow these steps, stay dedicated, and you could be the next big YouTube sensation. Remember, it all starts with a great idea and the drive to make it a reality. So keep creating, keep engaging, and most importantly, keep having fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on making money online.